What's up, everybody? Derek, for mountain bike ride at the Off-Field Family Viewlands in lovely Harbor Springs, Michigan. Riding on the Schwinn AXUM project bike. So we're just gonna go over it real quick. You can see my license plate. I really, frankly, don't care. Schwinn AXUM frame. Here's what's original. Here's what's not original. Schwinn AXUM frame, original, tapered head tube. Original grips. Not original Dior hydraulic brakes. Not original. Not original 1x10 Dior shifter. It came with a 1x8 some off-name brand. They worked okay. Not original cheapo Wake aluminum handlebars because I wanted a riser bar. Those are like 20 bucks. Yes, original stem. Yes, original top cap. Yes, original spacers. The gold spacer. Everybody loves that about the AXUM. Not original fun headset because I had to get a tapered headset. Comes with a tapered head tube, as you can see. However, it does not come with a tapered fork. So I got a different fork, so I had to get a tapered headset to go with it. Not original. RockShox 120 millimeter travel air Recon RL silver. Dude, I got this thing cheap. It's an air fork. It's like, it shaved like 3 pounds off the bike. But it's Boost 110, so I had to get a new front wheel. So not original front wheel. Origin Origin 15x110 through axle hub with Wilderness Trail Bike STI 30 millimeter internal rims. These things are wide as shit. Yes, original Schwinn rotors. Not original Schwinn Dior 2-piston hydros. Adapters, I think. Original. Yes, original tires. What are these pieces of junk? They're heavy as shit, though. They're, of course, made in China. They're, what even are these? They're 2.6. I can't even remember. Where's the branding on them? Do they even have a brand on them? I don't know. They're pretty cool, though, actually. Like, look at the clearance. 2.6. I'm sure they're wire bead. They're heavy as crap. So when those wear out, I'm gonna get new ones. But I'm not getting new ones till they wear out. Okay, so we're there for that part. Not original. Old school water bottle. Haha. Not original. Cheapo toe peak bottle cage. Definitely not original Terry fly tie saddle. That thing is boss. Got that off. Actually, I salvaged that off a different bike I had, and I got that for free from homeboy Woody Bright in Bend, Oregon. Yo, dude, those things are $275. Those are pimp. Yes, original aluminum seat post. Ain't no Thompson, son, but it's okay. Original, yes, seat clamp. Not original flat pedals. Fuker, the infamous Fuker pedals. They're composite 3-bearing cartridge pedals. These things are mean as hell. Look at that. Look at the grip on these things. They're like $20, 25 bucks. They're a total upgrade for anything. I've got multiple pairs of these. Put them on my daughter's bikes. Not original. Original crappy aluminum 1x crankset made by Pro Wheel, son. Pro Wheel cold forged 170s. Square taper bottom bracket. Not original because it came with a caged bearing pile of shit. And I went to my homeboy at High Gear Sports, Petoskey, Michigan, represent. And I was like, yo, Gear, I got this Walmart bike and I'm upgrading it. And he was like, you're stupid. And I said, I need a cartridge bottom bracket, 73 by 115 or whatever the measurement is. This is a Shimano XT cartridge bottom bracket, square taper spindle. I'm not even shitting you. It's from like 1999, but it was brand new in the box. UN 71, son. If you're an old school bike mechanic, you know what I'm saying. It's perfect. Okay, where we at? Original, crappy tire. Original Schwinn rear wheel with original rotor. Uh-oh, here comes a car. Not original. Dior brake, we already talked about that. Original rear hub. Look at this. It's not a cartridge bearing. It's an actual like ball and cone adjusted, and I adjusted it like pretty good, but it's pretty crappy. I need to get a new rear wheel for this thing, but yeah, not quite yet. Look at the gold flake on this, son. Dude, this frame is sweet. For being how cheap, I have not that much money into this bike. We'll break it down later. Not original. 1x10 Dior, not freewheel, it's cassette. 12 to 46 or 11 to 46. Don't remember, but it's a 46. They make it in a 42, but I went for the 46. But original, so God, I had to get a new derailleur. Schwinn, or not Schwinn, God dang it. Shimano Dior Shadow 1x10 to go with the cassette and the shifter. Got that off AliExpress, the whole package, cheap as dirt, dude. AliExpress. If you don't mind your credit card getting hacked potentially, it's all good. 1x10 narrow wide chain. And what is this all about? Oh my God, that's gonna break. I'm gonna break my chain right now, today. Holy shit, I don't have a chain tool on me. That's gonna snap. Dude, what's up with that? That's not cool. I need a missing link. Okay, well, on the way back home, I'm gonna get that. I guarantee you I snapped my chain on this ride. I guarantee it. So, Schwinn AXUM frame, partially external routed, partially internal routed. Thing's pretty pimp though, for real. You know how much money I have into this whole bike? I'm not joking you. 600 bucks. Like total. With selling other parts. I took the fork off. I sold the fork. I sold the front wheel. Sold the handlebar. AliExpress. Cheapo. Looking for stuff ultra cheap online. Bottom bracket. Freebie from Homeboy. I literally have 600 bucks into this whole bike. So Schwinn AXUMs are like 400 and something bucks. Brand new. I got mine because Walmart screwed up one day. They had them for $238.99 for the bike. So I bought it and then immediately started upgrading it. So this thing is ultra sick. $600 bike. Are you kidding me? I've got way nicer bikes than that. 96 Schwinn homegrown. All grip shift, all carbon parts, Thompson parts, King parts, Specialized stump jumper, carbon 29er, 140, 130 travel dropper post, Fox 34, you know, blah, blah, blah. But dude, I got 600 bucks into this bike. It's ridiculous, but I am gonna snap the chain. Mark my words. That chain's getting snapped, because what the fuck is up with that pin? I guess I didn't put it together, but that, I guess, makes you decide to get a missing link. So peace out from the off-field Viewlands in beautiful Petoskey, Michigan. Yeehaw.